Alright guys, a really quick video of me installing the piston back in the block. So number one piston is right here. It's ready. I already changed the rings and everything, so it's ready to be installed. So how do you install it in there without messing up these rings? So you're gonna need something like this, right? This is a ring compressor tool that allows you to compress those rings, and then you push the piston through. So right now I'm gonna show you how to do it. I got this tool from OEM right there. It's a really cheap tool. I'm gonna put you on the stand, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it real quick. Alright, I'll put the piston in there. Got a little tool, and you just wind it like so. Make it really tight. Like so. Piston rings are in there tight. Put it in correct direction, because you don't want to put the piston opposite way. Like so. A lot of people use the bottom of the hammer. I like to just push it in with finger. It will go. Sometimes you're gonna meet the resistance stop, because it's probably the ring is hitting the block. Once you have that stop, guys, don't try force it, because you're gonna mess up your rings. Now that's it. Number one is done. That's how you proceed and do the rest of them. A really nice fancy tool, really cheap to get it. You can get it on the internet. You can get it at your local AutoZone or whatever car parts store you have. Make sure you lubricate the edges of the cylinder wall. Lubricate the piston. Make sure that you put a correct clock on your piston rings, right? Because if they're in the same direction, you're gonna have a blow by, and that is not good. So yeah, focus on that. Also, the direction of the piston, focus on that as well. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Of course, if you're new, consider subscribing, like and share, and I'll see you guys next time. There's